Hi, welcome to Xhield.tech. We are a cloud security startup that analyze your infrastructure, the complete infrastructure, code, network, your access, and it gives you the attack surface paths before attackers do. So in this demo, I am going to show you the application. We have released the beta version, and in the beta version, you can see how we are scanning your whole code base and showing the detailed attack paths. Okay, let me get it started. So this is the application, web application app.xhield.tech. So let me log in as a guest. I am using my Gmail account. Let me get it from my Gmail. The code, login code. So here it is. So I have successfully logged in. In the past, I have done 5 scans. So these are all the scans. Some are from GitHub repository, and some are from my code base I have uploaded. So let me start a fresh scan, and this time I'll take the code base. Let me select. Right now we are supporting code uploading, and in GitHub repositories you can give. And let me take a local folder. So let me choose a local folder. I had one local folder, Secure Cloud Spring Boot. Let me upload that, and it shows you what are the analysis we are going to do. We are including pom.xml analysis, all the dependencies, source code, application configuration files. We are not doing any scan of your build artifacts, version control, dependencies or binaries, which is already there, and non-Java files. So the summary is, in this particular code base, I have 41 Java files, 2 config files, and 1 POM files. So we are pretty much sure that what exactly we are doing. And here you can see that source files are processed in an isolated environment and permanently deleted immediately after analysis. So that means you should not worry about the security part. And we are committing that we are just taking the source code for analysis purpose in an isolated secure environment. And once the analysis is done, we'll delete it permanently. Okay, let me get it started. Let's go to the next. So these are the analysis I'm going to do. I'm going to get the summary of all the attack surface discoveries, vulnerability pre-scanner screening, dependency and infrastructure risk. And so here is one more important thing. If you are by mistake or knowingly, uploading the same or scanning the same code base twice, what exactly the system you want to do? It will give you the past data, or it will always ask you what to do. So let me put it first. Ask me first. So let me get it started. So the startup system started, and I should have got an email that the process has been started. So here it gives me the scan result. So here it's 50% is done, and I have also received an email in my Gmail that the scan has been started. So let's wait for the scan to get completed, and let me pause it. The scan has been completed, and you can see in the priority breakdown, there are 3 high priority risks and 11 11 low priority risks. It gives you a snapshot of the scan of your code base. And let's take the look at the attack surfaces. So there are 14 code findings. Out of that, the score is 14.70. There are total 98 dependencies and 10 vulnerable dependencies, and it shows exactly what are the different vulnerable files those are impacted, and the findings detail score it gives. And here are the vulnerable dependencies. All the libraries we are using in our application, it lists the top 10 dependencies. Let me go to the findings. This is the and let me go to the findings. So this is the top priority 5 findings. One is insecure cryptographic use, which is in this file, that is attack surface Java, and there is a dynamic code execution loading. So it gives you the top 5 fixes you should do immediately. And then there is a OWASP categories, and the vulnerabilities, those are found in the Java files. It's all lists out. So let me go to the risks. So the risk score is 15 and 71 AI score, and total vulnerability is 54. And then vulnerable dependency is 10 out of 98. Let me go to the whether you are ready for the VAPT or not. It says VAPT, it's failed. I mean, you should not go for the VAPT now. Why? The score breakdown is application security is failing, it's 42%, weight is 40%, and then there are other scores. So the VAPT score is computed based on this formula. Application security is taken 40%, dependency 20%, AI score 20%, license 10%, and technical debt 20%. That comes to 56.8. So these are the remediation steps that you should do it immediately before you go for a VAPT. So this is the online, you can see the statistics. Let me go to the reports. So here we have 2 reports. One is for the CISO, another is for the DevOps. The DevOps report is quite explorative. It contains all the vulnerabilities, score, analysis, everything. So let me store it and open it up. So this is the developer report, DevOps report, and it gives a complete picture of the whole analysis, 360-degree view of the analysis of your code base. And let me go page by page. It's almost 38 pages, and it says in the very beginning it says it's a VIPT failed. And why it's VIPT failed? Because based on this criteria, to reach the pass, you need to do these steps, and these are the top actions you need to do to make it VIPT ready. And so that is the first. Then the executive summary. So the actions, priority actions, you should do immediately to avoid any issues. And we are using the CVE dataset, and that gives you all the CVEs those are impacted, or those are your application is impacted by those CVEs. That is key vulnerabilities. And if I take one of them, let's say log4j. If you take this one, and you can clearly find out in the internet. If I search Google this particular, it says it's a log4 shell is a critical remote code execution vulnerability and 0-day flaw discovered in December 2021. So that means we are not only scanning your code base, but we are comparing with the vulnerability database, and we are giving you the clear picture if there is any well-known key vulnerabilities, industry already recognized in your code base. And then we give you the statistics or remediation, how to solve. Then go to the priority, fix priority. Then how much estimated time it would take. And this is the top attack paths. As I said, we continuously give you the attack path details. So this is the attack path. You can see all the details. And this is the visualization of the attack paths, how exactly your code base is getting attacked from outside world. Chain of execution, how exactly your code is getting accessed when you are using for these vulnerabilities. So the risk snapshot, that is already we have covered. I don't want to go through it. And active threat intelligence. Here we are giving you the key vulnerabilities. The non-exploitable vulnerabilities catalog from the CISA non-exploitable vulnerability catalog. We are giving you the list of all the vulnerabilities in your code base. So, and at the same time, we are also giving you how you can fix them, required action. And same thing, critical and high severe dependencies, if there are any, that also we are showing. And detailed analysis from the embedded database. So we are almost, utilizing all the top databases, NVD, CV, was Juliet. And then we are comparing the findings with them, and we will give you the report so that you know exactly where your code base is. And last but not least, so this is the business impact assessment. I don't want to go through in detail. Then attack surface visualization, and the risk clustering also we are doing. Then exploratory scoring, the score, that how it impacts your code base. And yeah, this is most important thing. I think most of the tools they do not give you, but we give you the license compliance intelligence. That means if any of your libraries or dependencies you use, they are commercially not should not be used. We'll give you a clear picture. And the technical depth also we give you, if there are any technical depth that you need to take care. And dependent reachability analysis. Then VAPT readiness score, and vulnerability summary by category. So the configuration, there are 11 in vulnerability category. For insecure category, insecure cryptography, there are 2. Injections, there are 1. And POM analysis. So the POM file, which is there in your Java code, we analyze and we find out all the vulnerabilities. So I just want to, okay, there are some deep prioritized findings which are kind of false positive. We use AI agentic to find out all the vulnerabilities, or maybe the which are the false positive. We give you a clear picture. You do not need to worry about it. And then AI powered risk intelligence, we use graph, ML, and Tent, and we give you a clear picture on that. I think that is all about the application. And yeah, so I think that should suffice for today's the clear whatever we have now, the application beta. So let me stop it now.